They say you suck, show them that they suck. They bully you, they call you names, ignore them and focus on your shit. Like, what the hell have they to do with you? Like, stop focusing on them, stop focusing on what they are saying and focus on what we're doing. And in the next 10 years, the only thing that is going to make the difference is the amount of work that you put in. The only difference between you and them is that they have hidden their jacked up world better than you have. That's the only difference. And you may think that's just easy for me to say. I have been in this situation for the past 10 to 15 years. So I know how it feels and I know how to ignore it, and I am pretty good at it. The only way to get good at it is to stop focusing on them, start focusing on yourself and self-love, man. That's the main key, self-love. Be self-compassionate, okay? So that's the main key. And I really hope that this video helps you. If this helps you, please make sure to like and follow me, so more and more people can benefit from this video. And hence I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.